Take a ride in the 2016 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.